Hi, I'm Todd Whitthorne with ACAP Health. Our topic today on the HealthCast is the dosage of vitamin D. Now, if you look at the amount of vitamin D in our 3D Daily product, you'll see there are 2,000 international units. I hear all the time people say 2,000, that sounds like so much. And it's very interesting because when you really dig into it, when you look at supplements, they're usually measured in either milligrams, micrograms, or IUs, international units. Now, 2,000 international units sounds like a lot, but the reality is 1 milligram of vitamin D equals 40,000 international units, which means 2,000 IU is the equivalent of 1/20th of a milligram. So don't ever be frightened by those big numbers until you really dig into it a little bit. The science shows that most all of us can benefit by at least 2,000 IU of vitamin D per day, since about 80% of Americans are insufficient in vitamin D. Now, for some people, they'll need more than 2,000 units. They may need 4 or 5 or even 10,000 units. In fact, if you go to your healthcare provider and they do a blood test and they find that your vitamin D level is woefully deficient, they will probably put you on a prescription vitamin D that it will be 50,000 units either once, twice, or 3 times a week. So again, don't be intimidated by that number until you really dig into it. The goal is to take enough that will make a difference to get your blood level to where it needs to be. So again, 2,000 international units is not a great deal of vitamin D. It's the amount that the science shows is a great starting point for you. If you have any questions, you can always go to our website. That's 3-ddaily.com, where we have articles and videos, all sorts of information there. We also would love to hear from you. If you have a question, send it to us, and we hopefully will incorporate it in a future HealthCast. Have a healthy day.